Hello and welcome. My name is David Oisamoje. Thanks for joining me. If you're just joining for the first time, I say thank you. I'm just gonna tell you about my channel. My channel is all about print on demand designs. Yes, you heard me right. Creating designs for print on demand site like Redbubble, Public Teesprings. This design is going to help you make passive income from print on demand. So if passive income is something you're about making passive income doing print on demand, then my channel is all about making these designs you put on your shirt, your mug, your cap that sells passively on this print on demand site. So if you're interested about this and you're just watching my channel for the first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on other content that I'll be releasing after this one. Make sure you watch this to the very end. Thanks for my returning subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. I don't want to waste your time on this, so I'm going to go straight right into this one and I'm going to create something for you. So yes, I use Canva Pro. So if you want Canva Pro, make sure you stick around. I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro free for 30 days. Yes, you heard me right. That's a gift from me to you, getting Canva Pro free from me for 30 days. So please stick around if you want to get that. I'm going to show you how to get that as this video progresses. So let's get straight right into this. So we're going to create a design, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400 by 400, as you can see. So we're going to create a design. So it's going to open on a new tab and we're going to go straight right into work with this one. Some of you already asked me in the past, is it right? Can you? Sorry, let me pick this. So we're going to go straight right into this. Sorry about that call. Make sure you stick around. Don't click off. It's going to be a simple one. So let's go to text. Let's go to text and just find a cool font or word. I think we can use this. So we're going to use this one. Just increase it. So move the cursor to this head. Press down your left mouse click button and drag outwards. Bring it like this. So now we're just going to click on this, delete that. So we are left with this one. So it's going to say, okay. So now we have this all written out. Just increase this a bit. Okay. So now we're going to go to elements. First of all, we'll go to shapes. Or let's do line. Okay. So you see this line, we can just take it over it like so. Like that. Okay. You can just take it over it like that. Or we can decide to turn it just like this. Reduce that a bit. So I'm going to duplicate this to make it a cross. But before I do that, I'll change the color to red. So now I'm going to duplicate this one, press my Alt key button, my left mouse key button, and just drag that. So now I'll turn this to the other side. Make sure you stick around. I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro now. Make sure you stick around. So now we have it like so. As you can see. So now I want to change this color. I don't want it to be red. So now I have let's make it purple. The purple works. Yes, it will work. So we're gonna leave that. So we're gonna go back, go to element again. I'll go to click. So we'll first do text. Sorry. First do text and we'll find another text. Just want a simple text. So I've clicked on this one. We'll make it wider and bigger again. I've showed you how to do this. So now we are going to ungroup this one. Delete the top one. We don't need that. So now we'll double tap to highlight this one and it's going to say auto delete. Yes, we don't want such things in our society. We want a free living, working society. You get the drill. So for this one, you see it says it. So we're just gonna turn this a bit. Yes, just like so. Just like so. So turn it just like this and change the color. Change the color to, we'll say, yellow, something like this. And now go back to elements. Make sure you follow me, make sure you stick around. We are almost done. Click on click. Pro, this is a pro element. It's a pro element, so you can see. So now we just bring this down a bit. You can see, so we turn that to, okay, so now we can change the font of this to match that one. So now we have it as H auto delete. Click here. As you can see, but I don't want this arrow is kind of small. I want that and kind of arrow, so you just find one. This is a pro arrow. You can change the color from white to black, so we're just going to change that from white to gray, not total black. You can see, okay, and now we'll change the to yellow. Okay, so now we'll make this smaller. Move your cursor to this area, press your left mouse click button, you drag that inwards to make it smaller. Make it smaller, and we'll just flip. You need to flip that horizontally. So you should be able to flip that horizontally, but if we can't do that, okay, if you can't do that, we'll just move it to this edge like so. We'll move it to the edge like so. So we'll have click here like that. We'll reduce it a bit. Okay, so now you see we have it. So if you check the first link in the description, it's quite a simple design, not complicated, super easy. A great shirt people want to wear it. It says this word and auto delete. Click here, and you have the click here. You see it took us just about 8 minutes to get this done. If you want to get Canva Pro, make sure you hit the first link in the description to get Canva Pro for yourself. Yes, you heard me right. The first link in the description to get Canva Pro for yourself. Just click on that link. It opens on a new tab, and you go up, you sign up, and get it done for yourself, and we are good to go. So now I'm just going to show you. As you can see, I've already showed you one part why you need Canva Pro. You need Canva Pro because you get this premium elements. You don't get it on the free version. On the free version, you're not sure if you are covered the copyright law. And by the way, I use multiple elements, and that's how I answer that question of if are you safe with using multiple different elements. Yes, you're safe using multiple different elements. You're totally safe. I've been doing this for over a long period of time now, and I've not had serious issue. Sorry, did I say serious issue? I've not had issue at all doing that. So now that we have that all set out, you just go click on download. This is the other part you need. You always want your design to come with transparent background. You don't want the background in your design. So make sure you get Canva Pro to get this. It's not available on the free version. Yes, on the free version you can't get it. So just click on transparent background, download. It's going to download for you. As you can see, it's going to download for you. So just wait for it to download. Once it's done downloading, I'm going to show you. Okay, this is it. So if I click on show folder, and I show you, you're going to see it here. If I click on it, as you see, quite simple designs, passing a very positive message to everyone. Everyone will want to wear this shirt. So it's quite simple. It came with all the white background, and it took us just about 9 minutes to get it done. So if you love this, and you want more, you watch to your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch the playlist, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. I love you all.